Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute lollipop hair clip. So cute, so glittery, and you're going to need 30 centimeters of this, which is glitter rope, and it's basically a plastic tubing, clear plastic tubing coated in glitter, and I got mine from Tanya's Feltie's Boat and Craft Supplies, and you get a longer piece obviously. So there's this, and then I have two little felt squares which are for attaching the clip to the thing, and they are about 3 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So you need two of those little felt bits and your clip. And I also have this like peachy kind of coloured 9mm ribbon to wrap my clip to look, give it the appearance of the lollipop stick. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want a start point, and I normally do mine about 3 centimeters, well, about 4 centimeters. So this is the look we are going for, but we want this super tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the glue on the actual bit of felt, because I found when I tried to do this freehand, the problem I had is the glue was seeping between the ridges. So we want a little bit, but we want it at the back. We don't want it where we can see it visibly on the you want to press it really firmly together so that it sticks and you've got your beginning point. And then we're going to do glue round the next layer. Like so, and then you turn it. And again, you want to do this really tight against this one. Really tight, as you can see. And again, press it very firmly in together like this. And again, we're going to do glue here, turn that round, hold it very firmly against that glue round here and down. Pull your fabric straight. And last bit of glue around that. Push everything in, all nice and tidy. Give it a really strong squish down on that glue. And then when you're happy with the bottom, you cut along in a straight line to even everything up, and then you can trim round like this. This is what you will get. Little lollipop. Like I said, you can do them longer or smaller. If there's any gaps or anything like that, just pop it open. Right at the back, you don't want any bit where it can seep. Okay. So that's our first piece, and then we just need to get our little, I'm just going to cut round this as a guide. So we've got the right size. So this is what our clip was going to go in. Just going to neaten this up a little bit. So there's our other piece. And take your clip, heat seal your 9mm at the end, touch of glue here, and attach this to the back of your clip there. Then I take one of my pointed curling clips and we're going to put a touch of glue either side here. Okay, bring that in so it's as deep as the clip is, and then fold it over. What I do with this clip is I push it against the glue either side and then get your thumb really firmly in there so it actually sticks and stays, and then we want to glue it along here. You want roughly 13cm for this. I have a slightly longer piece because that was what was in my scrap basket. And use your thumb to sort of smooth it down so you've got no ridges or lumps. Cut your little extra off there. Heat seal. And clip that over. Went out a little out of alignment, so we'll just fix that. Don't want to see the clip underneath. There we go. And then take this bit, fold it in half, and you want to go across, then about a centimetre down, across but not all the way through. So you can see you've got the two, and then take this, bring it so it's near the end. We're going to put a bit of glue here, bit of glue in the back of there to hold this in place, and then you can glue all of this, including that little spot there. Turn our lollipop that we've just made, line this up, and tap the two felt pieces together. Make sure you can't see any of it behind the, if you can, don't be afraid to trim it down. And there you go, a super cute glittery lollipop clip set. Thanks for watching, bye.